Hi guys! Today I have a new vegan recipe for you. Something really hearty, something really delicious and comfy. It's a delicious vegan shepherd's pie. So let's get started. I have a medium pan here, heating over medium heat, and now that it's warm, I'm gonna cover the bottom with olive oil. And then first I'm gonna add in just the onion. So I've diced it finely. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna caramelize it. So you want to keep the heat on medium, and you want to stir once in a while for even cooking, and just allow it to cook as long as it gets caramelized. And then once the onions are looking beautiful, so they are nicely caramelized, you can add in the rosemary, the thyme. I'm just adding it with the branches so that I can remove the branches later on. And also adding in the garlic and the chilli and the celery. And keeping the heat on medium. Just gonna give these a couple of minutes. Then after those couple of minutes, I'm also adding in the carrot. So I've grated the carrot on, or the carrots on a fine grade. Just shortly mixing it in. I still have my heat on medium, and now I'm just gonna cover it up for about 5 minutes before I start adding the rest of my vegetables. So I just want the celery and the carrot to cook a little bit before that. And in the meantime, I have also started boiling my potatoes. And then after the 5 minutes, we're gonna add in the rest of the vegetables. So I'm adding in the zucchini, which I've cubed, and also adding in the mushrooms, which I've also cubed. Just shortly giving it a mix. Also adding in my tomatoes at this point. And washing off the can with about half a can of water. Just gonna mash the tomatoes a little and giving everything a mix again. We are still keeping the heat on medium, and we are also gonna season now. So I'm gonna add in a teaspoon of salt, also a heaped teaspoon of smoked paprika, about a teaspoon of dry garlic, because you know me, I love the dry garlic, and a little bit of freshly ground black pepper. Then stir it all in. Keeping the heat on medium, and I'm just gonna cover it up with a lid and cook until the vegetables have softened. And then once your vegetables are cooked, you want to transfer them into an oven-proof dish. What I've also done in the meantime, I've mashed the potatoes. Because I'm making it vegan, I only mashed it with a little bit of the cooking water and added some sunflower oil. You could also add in some olive oil if you want. And now I'm gonna portion the mashed potato over the vegetables. And then you just want to even it out, so you have everything covered with the mash. And then the last thing I like to do is decorate, kind of, with a fork. And then you want to bake it in the oven as instructed in the recipe, and as always you can find the recipe down below in the description box. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. It's something you can make for a meal prep. I made this on a weekend and then I was eating it throughout the whole week because it's quite a lot, especially if you make it for just one person. And it's great as meal prep because you can reheat it really easily and it still tastes really yummy. I was serving mine with a little bit of yogurt and some avocado and some greens on top, and I think it all kind of fits really well together. But you can serve it with whatever you want, or you can serve it as it is because it has so much in it as well. As I mentioned before in some of my other videos, some previous videos, I will be making more vegan recipes in the future, but also I'm gonna start posting my regular videos starting next week. So I was actually planning to do it this week already, but it didn't happen because of some work and other things. So I will be starting with those recipes next week, and I have some delicious ones planned for you, so stay tuned for that. If you enjoyed this video and the recipe, don't forget the thumbs up for support, and if you're new to my channel you can subscribe right now, and if you don't forget to tap the bell you will get a notification whenever a new video comes out. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye until next time.